Being your own boss can sound very nice, but there are 3 things you need to be your own boss. Because why? You'll be starting up a business for you to be your own boss. And here are 3 essential things you need for you to start a business in Nigeria this year, 2024. Let's check out these 3 things. Before I move on to these 3 essential things, let me tell you about an investment opportunity that you can take advantage of right now. I'm talking about Real Estate Cashback. Real Estate Cashback is a very good investment opportunity that you can take advantage of right now because it is you investing in real estate and you begin to make money without you lifting a finger. Yes, you have to do absolutely nothing and you watch your money work for you. Now, what is real estate cashback, you might ask? Real estate cashback is where you bring in a sum of money from 5 million to any amount that you can possibly fathom, and we use that money to invest in real estate. This is what we've been doing for over 5 years and we've not defaulted once. And we'll be giving you 4 securities for your investment once you invest with us on real estate cashback. What are these securities? We have the post-dated check. Post-dated check is the check that you get with the amount that you invested and your return on investment. So you will see that once you invest with us, we issue you a post-dated check which you can tender at the bank once the 12-month period elapses. We have 3 other forms of security for you, which is the investment certificate to show that you have invested with us as a proof that you are a worthy investor. We also have the receipt of your payment, and we give you a deed of agreement. Now, this deed of agreement is a document that gives you access to a portion of one of our estates. Real estate cashback is you investing in real estate without particularly buying a land. So how it works is, with this deed of agreement, you have access to a portion of one of our lands, which is Tiwa Gardens Phase 2. You can actually go and check it. It is right there at Lekki, along Lekki Expressway. You can check it and see that it is a genuine investment for you. It is physical, and this is what we do. When we give you this deed of agreement, it means that you have a portion of that land, and at the end of 12 months, you will sell that portion of land back to us, and then we will give you its appreciation in value in terms of cash. And that is how this investment works. So as at July 2024, we are working with a 35% return on investment. So if you bring in any sum, you would have 35% of that sum in increment to your capital. And that is how real estate cashback works. Now let me get back to the 3 essential things you need to start a business in Nigeria this year, 2024. So these 3 things are: number 1, a clear business plan. Number 2, you need to have a marketing strategy. And finally, you need to have adequate funding for your business. These are the 3 things you need before you start a business in Nigeria this year, 2024. Now, let's get into it. Talking about a clear business plan. A clear business plan means that you need to have all the essential things for your business written down. Your business plan should have your business goals, should have your target market, it should have your operation plan, it should have your competition analysis and your marketing strategy. All of this should be included in your business plan because you need to know what exactly you're going into. You need to know what exactly you hope to achieve in your business. So all of these are very essential for you when you are starting a business in 2024. Now, the next thing you need is adequate funding for your business. You need your initial capital. Initial capital is the money that you use to start your business. And then you also need operational capital. Operational capital is the money that you use on a day-to-day basis to run your business. These 2 funds are essential for you to run a business successfully in 2024. So how do you get all of these fundings? Now, for your capital, there are many ways people get fundings for their business. The first way is by saving. Obviously, you can save up some money over a period of time to get enough to start up a business. That is all fine and good. Now, another way that a lot of people use is by getting a bank loan. A bank loan can also help you to start up your business, but I would not personally advise you to do that because a lot of things can go wrong with that. So let's keep that aside. Now, moving on, we also have investors. Investors can help you set up your business And that is one of the reasons why you actually need a business plan, because with a business plan you can convince investors that they should invest in your business and they will get return on their investment. Now, aside all of these things, I also want you to consider real estate cashback, because real estate cashback can actually give you enough funds to start up your business, and you would even still be making money by the side when you invest in real estate cashback. I mean, it's a win-win, because imagine you start saving over a very long period of time. That saving is just going to be there, and when you start your business, that's all the money that you saved up is gone into the business, so you have no other thing to fall back on. But imagine you using real estate cashback to start up your business. If you started with 5 million and you've been investing in real estate cashback over the period of 3 years, imagine how much money that would have given you over that short period of time. Imagine using your proceeds from that money to start a business. You see how very, very safe that is for you. It is putting less stress on you, and you can enjoy the fruits of your labor comfortably. Okay, now moving on, you also need to have a marketing strategy for your business. You need to know who are your target audience. You need to know their age, their location, their gender. You need to know all of these things before you start your business, so that when you begin to market to them, you know what exactly and how exactly you can market to them. This is one of the major factors you need to start a business this year, 2024, especially in Nigeria. I don't know about any other place, but I know this one, it is very, very essential in Nigeria. And in fact, most people will argue that having a marketing strategy is one of the most important things you would need to start a business in Nigeria. Now, all of that said, right, where am I going to with this? I want you to look at this. Also take note that in Nigeria, for a small business to actually begin to make profits, it takes 3 to 4 years. 3 to 4 years for a small business to begin to make profit in Nigeria. If your business goal is to make money in Nigeria, okay? Now, I'm not talking about passions. I'm not talking about you bringing a new product into the market. I'm saying if your business goal is to make money, and I believe that everybody wants to make money one way or the other, regardless of passion, okay? This means that it will take you a minimum of 3 years before you can actually begin to make money in Nigeria. Okay, now imagine these two options. You have real estate cashback and then you have starting a business. Which one would you choose? Now, let me give you an advice based on this. You have real estate cashback. Real estate cashback, you get to bring in a sum of money from 5 million above, and you invest in real estate cashback, and after a period of 12 months, you have your capital and your return on investment, and you can also roll it over time. And the money you're getting from real estate cashback is entirely yours without you working for it. I mean, you are not lifting a finger for you to get this money. You're just putting your money somewhere and it's giving you this much return on investment, 35%. This is not what the bank or any other saving platform can actually give you right now. So you know that this is a very good form of investment for you. Now imagine doing this for 3 years while you start a business and you are not making any money. In fact, you are putting in all of your money into this business for 3 years before you now begin to make any form of profit. I'm not saying that starting a business is bad, but I'm saying why not choose real estate investment for now, right? And then you begin to work towards investing into your business. Now, think about that. I would like you to tell me what you think in the comment section below, because this is a very, very good opportunity for you. Like I said, real estate cashback, we've been on for over 5 years and we've been paying consistently with no default. I mean, nobody has come to say that, oh, I invested in real estate cashback and I didn't see anything from my money. No, we've always been paying and we've been paying on time. So this is why real estate cashback is your best investment right now. And we've been doing this with our cooperative partners like Dangote Cooperative, like Bell Energy Cooperative, like Conway Cooperative, and a whole host of others. So this is what real estate cashback can do for you. Now, aside all of these securities that I mentioned earlier, which is the post-dated check, the receipt, the deed of agreement, and your investment certificate, we are also licensed by the Lagos State Ministry of Commerce, Industry and Cooperative. So think about this. This is why real estate cashback is the best opportunity for you to make money right now without you lifting a finger. This is Salesville Properties and I am Director David. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn on your bell notification to get more insightful videos like this. And also like, comment and share this video to your friends and families so that they can, get this information and also thank you for it. Thank you and God bless you.